Welcome back to Steve Raw Reviews. Today's review is going to be a quick and easy fix to all of you that have a two-stroke engine. I'm operating on my Stihl trimmer right now. It's a two-stroke. And the symptoms will be when you go to increase the revs, well, it doesn't rev up like it used to. And you're wondering what's going on. You go out there and you start adjusting the high and low speed idle screw and you're not getting anywhere. Well, I'm going to show you what the fix is. It's very easy, cheap to do, and preventable. So let's go over to the bench. Let's take a look. Okay, so here I've got my trimmer all tore apart. It takes maybe 5 minutes to get this tore apart. It's just Torx screws in the background. That's it. It's not hard. The plastic cases come off. It goes right back together real easy. So as you can see, I got the exhaust manifold taken off here. And on this particular unit, it's hard to actually work in here around this shield. So you just pull this one off and you got access right to it. So let's take a look and see what is the reason. And I guarantee you this is the fix. Okay, so all that was in here was this little screw that goes in here. And just pull this screen out. And you could see it is plugged solid. I never put that screen back in, and you'll never have another problem because you know what? The whole idea behind this is to, so if you're in some national forest or something, sparks aren't going to come out here and set the bush on fire. So if you're in the bush, in a national forest or something, clean the screen and put it back in. But if you're just sitting in your house and, you know, you're not in the middle of the woods somewhere, well, you don't need it. I'll just put that screw back in and we'll just leave it like that just to plug up that hole. There you go. And the prevention tip is, like I do on all my mowers, anything that's two-stroke, anything that's four-stroke that has a screen in it, I chuck them out the first time I get them and it prevents this particular problem. So thanks for joining me here today. That was a quick and easy tip. I didn't have to show you it bogging down. I didn't have to show you that it was fixed. I know this is the fix, and that's how easy it is. So thanks for joining me here, and come back again. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe and see some interesting things that I do every week just like this.